Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little how to use the Revlon one-step hair dryer. So I absolutely love this product and I got it for Christmas and I've used it whenever I'm doing my hair ever since. And I wanted to make a little how-to video. I know there are a lot of these on YouTube, but I love watching them. So I was like, oh, why not make one myself? So yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I use this product. And I actually have some tips from my hairstylist or my whatever, why can't I think of the name, my hairdresser gave me some tips on how to use this, so I'm going to share those with you guys. I am going to start by telling you what I prep my hair with. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I use this detangler, the Sunbum 3-in-1 leave-in. I just use this all year round, all the time. And then I also spray some It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle leave-in product. It looks like this. Focus on it. And yeah, that's what it looks like. This came in like a little Ulta hair care favorites box that I got for Christmas. And it smells really good. So I spray both of those through my hair and just kind of use a wide tooth comb and comb those through my hair. And then after I'm done with the blow drying and everything, I'll go in with Moroccan oil. I love Moroccan oil. If there's any one hair product anyone should own, this is it. It smells so good and it tames your hair, makes it so soft and just really silky, and it's perfect to like finish your hair off after you've just smoothed it out with the hair dryer and you just want to give it like that nice silky smooth finish and make your hair smell amazing. So that's what I prep my hair with. And when I'm using this hair dryer, I use a little clip like this one, and I wait until my hair is just about like halfway to 2/3 dry. And I know that sounds bad, but my hairdresser actually said just wait a little bit until your hair is like more towards dry, not too dry, like maybe halfway in between wet and dry, because if you do it when your hair is so wet, then you're gonna have to go over like sections of hair multiple times in order to like completely dry it. You can actually burn your hair and it's really bad for your hair. So I just wait until it's like damp, I guess you could say. That it looks like it's dry right now, but I promise when I'm touching it, it's actually pretty damp. So I'm going to split it into 2 sections. This is my second coffee of the day. I'm working night shift tonight, so I am not napping, I've decided, because I just can't, and I slept in so late, so I am having my second coffee of the day. Anyways, back to the video. So I just put my hair up like this. Oh, it's kind of nice because you can actually see that there's some color in it. I have like a balayage in my hair and it's like a very subtle brownish reddish, I guess, color, like at the end of my hair, but like all the top of it's natural. And I used to have like more of a blonde, not really blonde, but I guess more on the blonde side of like a balayage in my hair. But you know, I just like my dark hair, so I'm kind of like inching back towards my natural hair color, because I really do like it. And I used to not like it, and I used to want to have like blonde and like lighter highlights in it and whatnot, but yeah, I decided I like it. So I am just brushing out the bottom section of my hair. I've been brushing it out for so long now. And I'm going to mute over the section where I'm actually using this because it's super loud. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take like little 2-inch sections, 2-3-inch sections, just kind of brush it. And then I'm just going to use this in like this motion, like that. And I just kind of like flip it on the bottom to give it that little flip, and gives it like a nice little curl at the bottom, like with some body. I don't know, that's just the best way to do it that I've found. So yeah, I'm just going to be going like this, and there are 3 settings on here. There's cool, low, and high, and I just go right for the high because it's the easiest, and I only have to go over the piece of hair 1 or 2 times. And then I'm going to do that for the whole bottom section, and then I'm going to move on to the top section. Okay, so this half is pretty much done. I just have 2 tips before I move on to the top half of my head. So make sure that, especially for the top part of your head, that you're starting as close to the root as you possibly can. So like take the little like section of hair and hold it upwards and start as close to the top of your head as you can, because if you start like a couple inches out, then you see like a little bump in your hair from where you started to use this. It like shows up, and like once you like let all of your hair down, you can see kind of like a crease in your hair where you started to use the dryer. So start as close to your head as you can. And if you have like some sections that are a little frizzy, I wouldn't recommend to do this with all of your hair because it can make your hair look really flat. But if you have some sections that are just kind of like frizzy looking, I will sometimes go down like this, but then I'll go back and use it like this just to give it that body, because if you want that body and like that full look with your hair, definitely like curl it under. Okay, so here's the finished look. That took me probably all of 10 minutes. That was like the quickest, easiest thing. And because I did the little like flip technique, okay, there's still like a little part right here. My hair is just naturally pretty curly that I need to straighten over. But yeah, it just gives like that little flip at the bottom, which is nice. But yeah, definitely like curling under. See, okay, so see, this is what I told you guys and you shouldn't do, and I did it. So just kind of when I was going over my hair at the end, there's a little bump right here just because I wasn't starting at the top of my head. So that's something that I would straighten, and literally if you just run a straightener through the top of your hair, it will fix everything. I'm not really going to do that right now because I am going to work tonight anyway, and my hair looks good for me. Like, I'm happy with this. I'm not going anywhere special, but yeah, if I was going out somewhere, I would just probably run a straightener through the top of it. And I'm gonna put a little Moroccan oil in my hair, and that will be it. Okay, so here's the finished look. I put a pea-sized amount of Moroccan oil in it and just kind of evenly distribute it through my hair, and then I brushed it out, and I'm downstairs now. Allie was so nice to let me film in her room because the girls are all working from home downstairs, which is right next to my room. I didn't want to be loud with the dryer, so she was nice to let me film up there. But yeah, I'm back downstairs and my hair is nice and smooth now. I ran a straightener through it really quick just because there were a few pieces that were bothering me, even though I'm not going anywhere. I just wanted it to look a little bit nicer. But yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.